Hey guys, time check. It's 4:49 in the morning and it's the day 2 of my trip here in Quezon City. So if you're interested about this video, then just keep on watching. So for today's video, I'm going to show to you how I prepare for the event. Magulo po yung buhok ko because I just woke up. And later on, I'm going to show to you our event called... Wait a sec. Our event called the Public Forum on Economic Situation of LGBTQIA+ Filipinos. So as of now, I'm just preparing my stuff, fixing my clothes, and then kain lang ako nito since I'm reviewing some key points lang for later, and as well as I'm preparing some stuff lang din kasi in a while I'm going to go downstairs because kakain kami ni Ate Tana with all of the other delegates for breakfast. Okay? So I'll be back. And so currently it's 6:57 in the morning and I'm still waiting for Ate Tala and Kim para maka-breakfast na kami. So for the meantime, I'm going to drink this, yung binili ko sa Market Palace. So if magustuhan mo siya, I'll buy more later. So yes. Always ito makita sa mga mga vlogs. Hindi ko gets ang lasa. Weird siya. Pero masarap. Parang gamot or something. I'm not sure. My gosh, na-stress ako sa outfit ko. Hindi nag-make sense lahat ng damit na nadala ko. My God, I have to buy something. Maya pagdating ni Cliff. So, this is my fit para sa breakfast. Wala na ako suot. My gosh. Ito muna susuotin ko pag breakfast namin nila Ate Tala. So, I'm just waiting for their go signal if pababa. Hey, night walk. So, where are we going? I don't know. We're looking for something to eat. Yun pa yun. May kinakain. Ano na naman ang gagawin mo? Hindi, kasi kahit mag-Tagalog ako, hindi naman ganun yung accent na gagawin. Ganon! Makita ko to kay Maya. Okay, so we're done eating. Before kami uuwi ng aming room, maghahanap muna kami ng 7-Eleven kasi magbibili kami ng ng skincare and ng pang-stock sa ref. Ano bang gusto mong bilhin?
Ang gusto kong bilhin ay malalaman yan, ma'am. Pero I think bibili ako ng pineapple. Medyo bigat na yung dyan.
Ay, dapat yung bilhin mo na lang yung malaki para madala natin hanggang sa madala natin hanggang sa Airbnb. So ayun guys, wala kaming kabusugan, kain ng kain. Tulog lang ang pahinga. Uy, alam mo ba? Ilang beses akong umihi kanina. Feeling ko mga 20 times. Tapos, labas ako ng labas. Nasa likod ko lang yung nagbi-video. Charot. Saka, uy, Tagalog, kainis.
Buang kaulugot.
Actually, kahit ako maugot na ko ngayon kay halo na manggod ang ano ko, halo na ang salita ko.